totally agree. I'm glad you did it. Yeah. So
I'm going to try and get down there by that bush, Carol, and then I'll put my hand out to it if you need.
Solid, look. Come towards me, come on. Yeah, come towards me. Okay, full picture with the sun. I'm gonna post these on Facebook just for the fucking memories. Because honest to God, you do forget, right?
Praise. That's through the pictures.
It's like not even snow, it's like little balls. Here we go. The van was just super dusty because we were in southern Arizona for a while. Hey, where are you going? You're not done yet. I finally got that all cleaned up, and now this.
My voice is shot from screaming lyrics no one cares to hear, followed by an applause from a crowd so insincere. And I'll check the boxes that you need, I'll cut my hair, get my degree, have it all figured out by 23. And if I slip up, will the world come on crashing down? Or will my mama's friends gossip to everyone in town? They're saying that boy's going nowhere fast, he can't get his head out his ass.
You don't want that. You look tired, bud.
You watch the candle, you check your phone, you're so connected, you're so alone. You finally give up, walk home through dark. Your wasted heart. You're always anxious, it makes it tough. Such little outlet for so much love. You wake up Monday, the sky's still dark, with your wasted heart.
Probably the best thing I made in the van so far.
Let's go. Come on. Go.
You're wasted heart. You're always anxious. It makes it tough. Such little outlet for so much love. You wake up Monday, the sky's still dark, with your wasted heart.
Today was originally going to be my last day in Sedona. I've been here for 2 weeks now, but there's some weather moving into the southwest. It's supposed to rain or snow pretty much everywhere from Phoenix all the way up to Salt Lake City. They're even calling for like 8 or more inches of snow in Bryce Canyon, which would be cool to see. But I think I'm just going to try to get up there in like a week and hope that there's still some snow there. But since the weather's going to be bad, I do need to do laundry. And I need to get a workout in and a shower. So I think I'm gonna hang around here for at least one more day, wait out the weather, get some work done, run some errands, probably decide tomorrow where I'm gonna head from here. Potentially Grand Canyon, might head up to the Las Vegas area and do some hiking around there. And once the weather passes through, it looks like it's actually supposed to be pretty nice there. So we'll see. It was snowing when I got here. Then we had 2 weeks of nice, warm, sunny weather, and now it's raining on the day that I'm leaving. So I think we kind of timed it pretty well. I was going to film a few more shots driving out of the camp area, but the dirt road was really bad. It pretty much rained all night last night, and it's still raining now. and it was raining even harder while I was driving down the dirt road. So we're just going to go ahead and get out of here.